In this one, we're going to go over how you can create group mockups or any mockups that have either multiple products or multiple artwork in the product. This is a great feature that goes right along with our variant wizard that makes it really easy and fast to create these types of group listings. I'll make sure to leave a link to the video that goes over that tutorial in more detail in case you missed it. Today, though, we're going to go over how you can actually create the mockups for those types of group listings. So let's jump into it and take a look. Okay, here we are in AnywherePOD on a group listing that we've already created. So this is a listing that has multiple designs and it also has multiple products that are available. In this case, a t-shirt and a sweatshirt. So now when we come into add new mockup template, this is so we can add any mockup templates that we want to here, whether it's a single product with a single design, like you see in the image right here, or if it's the group listing, or if it's the group mockup like we're about to create. So when we click on add new mockup template, we have the choice of either importing from Canva if we have Canva templates set up as a frame, or in this case to upload as a PNG. Now, if we're doing group mockups, we're going to need to upload as a PNG as we cannot import those directly from Canva. When I click on upload as a PNG, you can see it's going to ask what product or products we're going to use in our PNG mockup. So if we want to now have a mockup that has both a t-shirt and the sweatshirt in one mockup, even if they have different designs, we're able to set those up as a mockup template. So when I select both of these options and come into continue, here we're going to upload our blank mockup like we would on any other mockup. And we want to assign it to the correct colors that are based on what's in our mockup as well. And then here at the top, we're able to switch between the artwork for any of the products that we have in this mockup, whether it's the t-shirt or if we have different designs for our sweatshirt, any of those would load here as well. In this case, if we have a mockup, even if it's multiple designs, but it's all of the same type of shirt, then you only need to select one of the options here. Now that we have this here, all we need to do is click on the designs in the top strip here to add them to our mockup and position them where we need them. Now that we have all of those designs set, once we save this mockup, it's going to generate not only for this product, but now anytime that we create a group listing in the future that has 6 or more designs, it's going to automatically generate this mockup for us. So that's how you can generate your mockups for group listings. I'll also leave a link down below that'll cover how you can create mockups for single artwork or like your model shots in case you missed that one as well. If you have any questions, make sure to leave it down in the comments down below, or you can send us an email to support@anywherepod.com and we'd be happy to help.